So this is the GSM alarm. There's the back. I'll try to get it better. There. And here's the front. I use this alarm keypad in a lot of my videos. So just boot it on. So what I got is we got power, cellular data, and Wi-Fi, but those cellular data and Wi-Fi aren't on because I'm not using the app right now. I don't have the internet connected either. But I think I did. I don't remember. But anyways, so the batteries are now charging. In case it shows that key, that means you need to unlock it. So let's get ready. First,
please input password.
Put the password.
Invalid password. Please try again.
In case you enter it wrong, go do that. Then you can arm it. It's okay, yeah, you can.
System armed.
Yeah. And then there's a countdown. So. And now we can disarm the system. We have to enter a password because it's just a key. And then we can go to settings. Go to parts. We can connect the remote, sensors, detector, siren. Yeah. Also, this is. Well, I think I have the remote somewhere. Oh yeah, I'm gonna grab the remote.
System disarmed.
I accidentally hit the
system disarmed
button when I was grabbing it, but and that's what it looks like. Is this.
System armed. System disarmed.
Stay.
System armed. System disarmed.
And here's SOS. I think I should. No, that's fine.
System disarmed.
And yeah. And how you put the system on stay is. Click on
System armed.
But I'll see it's on the way, so push on again. And
System
I'll
armed.
stop the countdown. I'll turn it to stay.
System disarmed.
And yeah. And also there's another thing that allows you to use a key fob. Here it is. So I just call it a key fob, but I don't know what it actually is. I think it is a key fob. I don't really know, but this is what it looks like. Okay, hard to see. Yeah, it has a number on it. Like keys we put right here.
System armed. System disarmed. System armed. System disarmed.
Ooh, did you put it on stand? Let me see.
System System armed. System disarmed.
Yeah, you can't. These are what they look like. So, and also what I really like is it talks to you, like, oh, listen.
Please input password.
Like, it's hard to hear my videos because, like, the siren is going off. I disarm it. But, yeah. And that's it.